Hi everyone, this is session 2. So, in this session, we will discuss regarding loop. So, how many types of loop in C sharp? 4 types of loop in C sharp. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop, and fourth is for each loop. So let's start. So first we understand for loop actually when we use loop, this is a main question, this is a very important. So if we have any types of collection data like array list, stack, queue, you can say in a simple like you have a group of data, then we understand that its value is in a loop. So let's start. We have a array, string type of array, like string type of array. So array initialize as first type of array, then variable name, array, new string type array, and size. Like we have a 3 value and we change it like it integer type of array. Like array we will discuss in next session. So first today we'll discuss only loops. So first we use for loop. So use for loop. Syntax of loop like for initialize value like int I is equal to 0, then increment condition check, I less than array dot length, I plus plus. One thing is very important, if you initialize value like a 0, then loop will run less than array of length. If you initialize like 1, then loop run less than equal to. So that is thing. So we in a professional way, so loop start always 0 index because array has start on 0 index. So condition less than array collection store data from 0 index. So we run a loop from 0 index. So I initialize 0, then print. So value we want to print console to right line I have discussed in previous lecture. Right line used for print value, print message. So value of for loop plus array I plus sign used for concatenate two strings. This is the first string and second one is another string. This is the integer types of array, so this is the integer value, but we can concatenate two strings, so then automatically converted to string. Now start. You can press F5 or press start button, then check what is the output. Sorry, oops, we cannot initialize any types of value in array, so it's prints 0 0 0. So we pass a value in array 0 0 1, like same as one index have one value and two index have one value. If we pass any other value in array, so they give the error out of bound array. So only it should start 0 index, so 1 2 3. This is a 3 line. Now start. You can see that output 1 1 1 1. That's it. Now these values also printed using while loop. So now start. While loop. In while loop, difference between while and for loop. In for loop, you can initialize in loop like value I 0 to 0. But in while loop, we need to initialize value outside from the loop. And say it's equal to 0 first initialize. After then check condition like while j less than array dot length. After then execute body, execute your logic like as. Then I have copy this line and change only j variable and for differentiate like I want like while loop. After then increment j plus plus. That's it. So main difference is you can initialize your variable in loop, in for loop. What in while loop you want to initialize variable outside the loop. First initialize, after then check condition, execute your body, after then increment. Then now start. What is the output? That is same output both for and while loop. And another one, do while loop. Do while loop. Main difference between while and do while loop. First, like we have a variable in k is equal to 0. In both cases, we initialize value first and outside the loop. So k is equal to 0. After then, do bracket, execute your body. Do while error k. After then increment k plus plus. Then check conditions. This is the syntax. K less than array of length. After then add semicolon. This is the syntax. Do while loop. Main difference between while and do while. If your condition has false in while loop, then body will not execute. Please understand, if your condition is false, then your body not execute. But in this do while loop, first body execute, after then check condition. If condition is wrong, then first time will be your body execute. So repeat again, while loop, if your condition, first check condition, if your condition has false, then body will not execute. This part not execute. In do while, first your body execute, means one time body will be execute. Either your condition false, either your condition true. No concern this condition in first time. After execute, increment your variable, then check condition, then go to body second time. So that is the main difference. If you want any, like as you have conditions, then code should be executed at one time, after then check condition, then we need do while loop. That is the main difference in while and do while. So now check what is without all three loops. Same output for three loops. Now next one is for each loop. For each loop. For each loop, in for each loop you cannot jump, and you cannot jump any value in array. Like as you have array like 0 index value 1, 1 index value 1, 2 index value 1, 1, 1. So if in for loop I want to print value from 1 index, then you can print. This is working. Same as while loop, so I can change like 1, 2, something like same as for loop. Same as do while loop, I can change 1, 2, like something can as per requirement. What in for each loop? You can't jump anywhere. You in for each loop sequentially read value from an array. For example, you can check like string in type of value in array. So for each, so don't need to define an index in this, only print a. In for each loop, directly store value in a variables one by one from 0 index. Not you can't display from 1 index or 2 index another. Always start from 0 index. You can't jump. So start like same value as for each loop. So repeat again. I have an array integer types. So in this array store only integer type value. For loop, syntax is initialize value in a loop, after then check condition, then increment. And in this in for loop body execute a logic and something function like this. While loop, first initialize variable outside the loop, After then check condition, execute your body, your logic, then increment or decrement as per conditions. Same like as do while. First initialize variable outside the loop. After then first time condition will execute. After increment and check the conditions. So repeat again, while and do while in differences. First check condition. If condition is false, then body will not execute. In while loop, do while loop, first body execute, after then increment and check the conditions. If condition false, in this case your condition true or false, not depend first time. First time body will be executed. For each loop, you can't jump any index value. It will display sequentially from 0 index. Thanks everyone. You have any query related loop, you can write comment in comment box. For new update, you can subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new update. Thanks for watching. Thank you.